You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names. The name of this circuit or track, international racing, located in Bahrain. If you want to learn how to pronounce this correctly and more Formula One names, stay tuned. Grand Prix of Sakhir. Sakhir, that's how it's said locally in Arabic, or the English pronunciation, Sakhir. How to pronounce English pronunciation, Sakhir Grand Prix. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.